What's up, guys? So this quick tutorial is going to show you how to use the phone app, which I'm holding right here, to tag a key and tag a car, right? So very easy to do. So under TrueTag management right here, this is the button I want to click on if I want to tag a fresh vehicle, right? So I click on that. From there, I would search out my vehicle, right? So if I know the stock number, if I know the VIN, if not, no big deal. I could click on year, make, and model and run a search that way and find it, right? If I needed to break it down. But for the sake of this, let's say that I was just going to use that very first car, right? So I'm going to back out of that and just show you one more time what I went to. This very first car, I can click on the car or the key icon right there. So as you can see them right here, I've got a car icon and a key icon. So I'm going to click on the car icon first, right? So I want to tag the car, right? So from there, on the back of the tag, there's going to be a couple things. There's going to be some numbers, right, written, and there's going to be a QR code. For the sake of this, I'd recommend using the QR code, but if for some reason you couldn't get it to work, know that you can use those numbers too. You would just type those in and you will see it appear because all these are different tags that you would be able to see, right? So for the sake of this, I'm going to click on this button right here to use the QR reader. So if I click on that, it'll then open it up, and then from there, I could scan this tag. Now, I don't have this tag necessarily connected to anything. These are just promo tags, so I'm going to pull this off just so you understand. So they might not show. I'm going to get an error when I do the key tag, but I just want to show you how easy this is to do, right? So once I've done it, from there, boom, I'm good to go. All right. So now let's say I wanted to do the key, right? So for the same thing, I come over to the key button, select that key button, boom, same thing. It pulls up that same screen on the back of your key tags, guys. You have got a QR code and you've got some numbers on there, right? So I could type in the numbers if I wanted to do a search that way, or I can click on that QR code reader again. I would highly recommend turning the tag about 45 degrees because it picks it up easier. I don't know why, it just does. So you'll find it easier to get them that way. So boom, there's my key tag, boom, now I'm set. I've connected both, right? So it was that easy. That's how you connect up a key and a car tag using the phone app.